Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle and cutting-edge technology. It's no surprise that smart home automation is rapidly gaining popularity in this innovative city. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature and security systems with a simple tap on your smartphone. This is the reality for many Dubai residents who are embracing the convenience and efficiency of smart home technology. Smart homes offer a seamless blend of comfort, security and sustainability. Imagine waking up to automated curtains that gradually open to let in the morning sun, while your smart coffee maker brews your favorite blend. During the day, your home's temperature adjusts automatically to conserve energy, and at night, your security system arms itself with a single command. Smart home automation isn't just about luxury, it's about making life easier and more efficient. With the ability to control various aspects of your home remotely, you can enjoy peace of mind and greater control over your living environment. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply relaxing at home, smart home technology empowers you to manage your home with ease. While the benefits of smart home automation are undeniable, it's essential to be aware of the challenges before diving in. One of the most common hurdles is integrating new smart home devices with existing infrastructure. Not all devices are compatible with each other, and ensuring seamless communication between different systems can be tricky. Another challenge is the cost. Smart home technology can require a significant upfront investment, especially if you're looking to automate multiple aspects of your home. It's crucial to carefully consider your budget and prioritize the features that are most important to you. Choosing the right service provider is paramount. With so many companies offering smart home solutions in Dubai, it's essential to do your research and select a reputable provider with a proven track record. Look for companies that offer comprehensive services, including installation, maintenance, and customer support. The world of smart home automation is vast and continually evolving, with a wide range of technologies available to enhance your living experience. One of the most popular applications is smart lighting, which allows you to control the brightness, color, and even the mood of your home's lighting with your smartphone or voice commands. Smart thermostats are another game changer, enabling you to optimize your home's temperature for maximum comfort and energy efficiency. These intelligent devices learn your preferences and adjust the temperature automatically, ensuring a comfortable environment while reducing your energy bills. For enhanced security, smart home systems offer a variety of options, including smart locks, surveillance cameras, and motion sensors. You can monitor your home remotely, receive instant alerts on your phone, and even grant access to visitors, all from the palm of your hand. The future of smart home technology is brimming with exciting possibilities, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. AI-powered home assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, learning your habits and preferences to anticipate your needs and automate tasks proactively. Imagine a home that adjusts the lighting and temperature based on your mood, plays your favorite music as you walk in the door, and even reminds you of upcoming appointments. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming the smart home experience. The Internet of Things is connecting our homes like never before, enabling seamless communication between devices and creating a truly interconnected living environment. From smart appliances that can be controlled remotely to sensors that monitor everything from air quality to water usage, the IoT is revolutionizing the way we live and interact with our homes. As Dubai continues to embrace innovation and technological advancements, the city is poised to become a global leader in smart home technology. With its commitment to sustainability, luxury, and convenience, Dubai is creating a future where smart homes are not just a luxury, but a way of life.